Hello and welcome to this episode of Creating with Howcraft. My name is Denise Yesbach-Moore with howcraftcollection.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create my lavender bloom earrings. These earrings feature a little beaded head pin, and you can use these head pins in many different ways in different designs. The tools and supplies you will need to create these earrings are round nose pliers, wire cutters, chain nose pliers. The beads featured in this design are lilac jasper oval 14 by 20 millimeter beads, this white resin flower, this 6 millimeter purple bead. You will also need an ear wire and 22 gauge wire. A complete list of the jewelry making supplies and beads along with printable PDF instructions can be found on howcraftcollection.com. Search Lavender Blossom Earrings. We are going to start off by stringing our 6 millimeter bead, and we're going to string that down right about 3 inches or so. It depends on the size of the earring or the head pin that you want. So we're going to string it right about there, and we are going to bend that wire up, and we're going to bring it around. We're following the shape of the bead. Now that our wire is up, we are going to kind of press that wire down a little bit. We are going to bring it around the back side towards the front. We are going to grab the wire and we're moving it around the bead, placing the wire on the back side of that previous wire. Come up and we're going to wrap it around the bead. Once again, we're going to bring that wire down on the back side of the wire, coming up. We're bringing it up, and then we're going to wrap it around the bead till right about there. So let's bend it a tad bit more. And then we're going to pick up our wire cutters. And we're just going to trim that little end. I just grabbed my chain nose pliers, and we're just going to gently tap that wire down so there are no sharp edges. I just strung my resin flower and my lilac oval jasper bead. We are now going to form our wrapped loop. I just grabbed my chain nose pliers, and we are going to bend the wire back, move the pliers up, bend the wire towards you, move the pliers to the side, bend the wire back, and we are going to switch hands and wrap 1, 2, 3. We're going to take it off. We're going to trim off that little end. Now I always like to flatten out my loops, that wire down, so there are no sharp edges. Our last step is to attach our ear wire. This is how you open and close an ear wire. So we're just going to open that, grab it, attach it, and close the ear wire. And there you have it, how to create my lavender blossom earrings and this cute little beaded head pin. If you are watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe at Howcraft USA. Follow us on Instagram at Howcraft Collection Beads. Be sure to visit howcraftcollection.com for more inspirational DIY projects and for all your jewelry making needs. New beads are added weekly, and each week howcraftcollection.com features an amazing new sale. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.